my little puppets. Now, Refashionista Sherry has told me that apparently some of you are having a hard time putting covers on pillowcases and duvets, so I thought it might be fun to show you my quick and easy method that I've been using for years. So let's start with the pillow. You want the pillowcase to be inside out. You put your hands into the corners and make some little bunny ears. Grab the corners of your pillow and flip it over and shake, 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 shake. Pull down a bit, flip the pillow again, and shake, shake, and stuff it. If it is a big pillow like this one, stuff it in, and you're done. Hey, we're back now. We're going to be doing the duvet cover. Now, you can see I have my duvet cover inside out, just like I did with the pillowcase, and I have my big duvet here on the bed, kind of accordion folded down. So I'm grabbing, just like I did with the pillow, I grab one corner, and then I grab the other corner, and because this middle bit is going to be kind of down there on the bed, I like to kind of stuff it in a little bit and hold it with my chin, and then flip it all over, and grab the middle bit again, and shake, and shake, and shake, and do a bit of a shimmy, 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 shake as we're doing it, and flip it around, and then my puppets, all you have to do is grab the corners and put them in the bottom, give it another shake, pardon me, come to the other side, grab the corner again, put it in. Oh, are we okay first time? Let me see. And give it another shake. Making sure it is all even inside the cover. Whew. It's a bit of a workout.